Hello and welcome to Excel with Partha. In today's video, we will be going over the top 10 Excel shortcut keys that every Excel user should know. By using these time-saving shortcuts, you can increase your productivity, work more efficiently, and ultimately get more done in less time. So whether you are a beginner or an advanced Excel user, these 10 shortcut keys are sure to make your life easier. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Excel shortcut keys. So we'll first start with the select all shortcut key. We're going to the paste sheet of select all. In this sheet, we will learn how to select all the data in a sheet, whatever data you entered in a sheet in a cell. So to select all the data, whatever you entered, select any of the cell, keep your cursor any of the cell, then just press Ctrl plus A in your keyboard. You can see all the data selected, whatever data you entered here. So Ctrl plus A, this shortcut key allows you to select all data in your Excel sheet. Then we will move into the copy and paste sheet. Let's see here the next shortcut key, copy and paste. We are using to copy a data. At first we will gonna to select all the data, Ctrl plus A. You can see it's all the data selected. After this sheet, after this data, this column sheet, there is no data. That's why Excel is automatically detected till where your data entered. Excel will detect automatically and Excel will select the range wherever your data end, and after the blank cell, Excel will leave that blank cell. Excel will only select wherever your data is end. That's why Excel selected that. Okay, and now we are gonna to copy this data, which is selected data. Just press Ctrl plus C in your keyboard. It's copied, and now wherever you want to paste this data, you can simply go there in this cell, keep the cursor in that cell and press Ctrl plus V. You can see the data pasted here, this data pasted here. The similar way you can paste in other way also. I will give a bonus tips here. See, if you choose this data, then Ctrl C, you came in this cell and press enter in your keyboard, only enter in your keyboard. You can see this selection will be go. If you use Ctrl V, you can copy and paste. Ctrl C copy, and if you use Ctrl V for pasting the data, you can paste the data several times. You can see here. See, I can paste the data several times. Anywhere I want, I can paste the data. But if I want one time only to paste, and after I don't want to paste the data, so what I can do, see, just copy the data, came in a cell where you want to replace your data or paste your data, came in that cell. After coming on that cell, just press enter in your keyboard. See, you can see there is the selection, it's already moved and your data pasted here. In another way, you can use to paste this data also, like we are using Ctrl X for cut the data. See, Ctrl X, I will show you Ctrl X to cut the data from here, and you want to paste here, Ctrl V. See, data removed from here and data pasted here. It's called copy, it's called cut and paste. So data cut from there and pasted here. So these things also you can do in an easy way, or which I will prefer. Just select a data. Let's say this data you want to select. Just go in this cell, press Ctrl A, selected all data. Now go just edge of the border. You can see there will be a edge line, right? If you bring your cursor here in the edge line, you can see the cursor icon will be changed. That time just press your left mouse, then just drag it in other place like that. Drag it in other place. Sorry, the Excel pop-up is there. There is already data here. Do you want to replace it? it's showing because of there is already one data is there. So Excel is confirming with you if you want to replace this data or not. So I will go on for okay this. So you can see this data came here. Similarly you can do here. It's working similar like cut and paste, only you have to drag your mouse, just left click on your mouse, go to the edge of the border. If you saw your cursor icon changed, left click on it, drag it, you can see cut and paste. Okay, let's move on undo sheet. How we are do if we did any actions in an Excel sheet, like you did any mistake, you are entering a data and you did a mistake, you want to undo this work. That let's see, Kamal age is 36, but you mistakenly you placed 48. You can see here the Kamal name, Kamal 48 age. Now you mistakenly placed 48. You entered the data of the age of Kamal is as a 48, but that there was a data at 36. So you want get back this data, so you can simply press Ctrl plus Z. You can see the data is undo, you get your original data here again. So that's how we are gonna to undo our which data we lost or what is our previous actions. We can undo these actions by pressing Ctrl and Z. Let's move into the next sheet. It's bold. How we will do letter or anything data we entered. If we want to change the font, we will go to the cell or the selected range. If you want the range you selected, you want change the font, just go there, select all the range by Ctrl A with the shortcut key, and then just simply click here the bold. See, you can see first this letter is in Calibri format and not bold format. Now we are going to do, we'll select Ctrl A, all the data we selected, then we'll just click on B. Right here we can select with the mouse, but today you are gonna to take the have a look with the shortcut key, right? So we'll do Ctrl A and Ctrl B. See, we press Ctrl B, the bold actions is removed. You can see the letters, it's in a simple letters, simple format. Now we're gonna to select this data again and Ctrl B again. See, it came bold. So for to bold a data, to bold a letter, we are using Ctrl B. And if you do this letter in a italic way, italic font, so you have to press Ctrl I. See, you can see that your letter is like slightly on right to left corner, so it's a italic font. So here we will do once again, we will select all data, we will remove the format again. Now we are going to do again, we will select Ctrl A, Ctrl B. See, we can see data get bold. Now Ctrl I, it came on italic font, right? Now we're gonna to do the next sheet is find data. Find data shortcut key is Ctrl F. This shortcut key allows you to find a specific data in your Excel sheet. Let's see how is it work. We are place Ctrl plus F. We will press on the keyboard. See, you can see there is a pop-up, there is a window came here, find and replace. There is a two option, find and replace. Here you gonna to type the data which you want to search. Let's see, now I have only 5 names here, so I don't have to search this so much data. But if in your case you have so much data like 100 rows, 200 rows, 1000 rows, it can be a lot of data you have, you want to search a particular data where it is, so you don't have to search this data. You just press Ctrl F in your keyboard, came in this pop-up, then just type the, like I want to type Madhu. See, you can see the name of there, Madhu. I type the name and I will just hit the enter button, or you can use the mouse for the find next. So I am gonna to use keyboard only. Just press enter button or hit the enter. You can see cursor came on Madhu. Excel bring you on Madhu. You can see I will place, there's another data, like I want to choose age. Where is our age data? Where is this letter age? So we will hit enter. See, Excel bring you on here. You can see this is, I will show you here this selection. You can understand the green color selection is there, right? It's mean Excel bring you there. Excel showing you that your data is here. Okay, so now we'll move on to the Control Shift and arrow button. Control Shift arrow we are using to select the data till the end. Like we can use Control A, right, for select all data, but here I will show you another thing. Control Shift right arrow if you press, then you can see the data only selected horizontally, right? The data selected only in the horizontally till where the data you entered. After this two cell is empty, that's why that's not selected. If you press again, then it will selected the all sheet, because this one is merge and center. So then now we are going to see Control Shift down arrow. See again this data. Now this selection came across vertically. At first you can do anything. Control Shift down arrow vertically selection, Control Shift right arrow horizontally selection. So you can see till where the data is, the selection is created till there. Automatically selected the data. Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow. Now you can do it anything. You can do Control Shift down arrow first, Control Shift right arrow, left arrow, up arrow, like that. Wherever you, it's depend on your data, where you place your data, you can do accordingly that. So let's move on flash fill. What is flash fill? We move into the flash fill sheet. You can see here, I will show you. See here, flash fill sheet. So we move into that sheet. Now you want to see, I will remove this data. I just, when I was entering the data, I just put there. So now let's see what is the flash fill. Flash fill we can use with the Control E. Flash fill shortcut key, Control E. This flash fill shortcut key if we use, I'll show you what is the benefit to use. You have some data like that, name with this sum of some person's name is there, their age. Don't think this age is real. It's like a random number. For a data only I choose and I entered. Then now we want the first name here and last name here. Like this is the original name. You want this Ram first name here, and the Mandal, this name should be in the last name column, right? So we will go to that cell. Simply you can go, you can copy this first letter, you can copy that, copy and paste, then come in the down cell, the next cell. When you come, just press Control E. Here you can see the magic. You can see the magic. See all the first name, it's Excel automatically detect with the flash fill and bring the data first name in the first name column. Same, the similar way you have to copy again the last name, copy it, paste it in the last name, and then go to the next cell, then hit Control plus E button. You can see all the last name automatically detected and came in one cell by the using of flash fill. So flash fill shortcut key is Control E. Okay, now we are gonna to move into the move sheet. We are moving into the move sheet. Okay, so what is that? The move sheet, like I am working on that sheet. Okay, I am typing some data, I entering some data, then I want to move on this flash fill sheet, on this flash fill, or wherever I want to move, in right sheet or left sheet, wherever. So for that we have to press Control plus page up. You can see if you press Control plus page up, it will bring you the left hand sheets, whatever left hand sheets is there, it will bring you there. Then if you press Control down, Control page down, not down, sorry, Control page up, page down. If you press page down, page down, page down, see, it will bring you in the right side of page, right? So it's moving, the page is moving left and right. If you press Control plus page up, it will move into the left side. If you press Control plus page down, it will move on right sheets, right? Now we are going to next sheet in edit data shortcut key. See, you want to edit this data, so normally we are using, go to there and double click, so we can see the edit option we can get here, and now we can edit any data from there, right? But we are not gonna to use mouse. We'll go to the cell which data we want to edit, and you can simply press F2. See, you can find a edit, the cell will be activated for edit, right? You understand? I hope you understand what is the edit data shortcut key. Now we'll go to the font change, the last shortcut keys, the font change. This shortcut key will help you to change the letter or data font, whatever data you have, this font you can change by shortcut key. It's very magical thing, right? So we'll do how we are going to do this. We'll select all the data, how I told you before. Also you can press Control A, select all data. Otherwise you want to select some data, so Control plus right arrow, sorry, Control Shift plus right arrow, then down arrow. You can see all the data selected. Otherwise if you want to select till only first name, Shift right arrow, Shift down arrow, you can see this data only selected. So you will only change this font, so it will be a visualization for you can understand this data it will be remain same, and it will be change the font. So let's see, we'll use Ultra HFF. Now that our cursor is came, you can notice this one is came on blue light, right? A blue highlight. You can see if we select another cell, it will be in white, it's not highlighted, right? So if we use this shortcut key again, I'll show you. I'll select this data, Ultra HFF. See, you can see the font Calibri, it's highlighted with the blue. When it came blue, you just press, don't use mouse, just press down arrow on your keyboard. You can see lot of font is there. Just go down, down, down. You can see the visualization here. It's going the visualization on the back end. You can see the visualization how your data you want. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take this data, I'll bring here for your better understanding. Okay, I bring here this data. Now I'll show you how it's happening. You can see the, okay, select all the data again. Now Ultra HFF, down arrow, then you can go by down arrow only, you can go any of the data. You can see the visualization here, it's changing the font here. You just notice here, press down arrow, down arrow, down arrow. You can notice which font you like, just go in that font and hit enter. You will see the magic. Just go in that font, which font you like, it's up to you, but I'm gonna take this Arial, then hit enter. You can see your font is changed. Okay, again we'll do repeat these things, Control Shift right arrow, Control Shift down arrow, then Ultra HFF down arrow. We'll now choose a stylish font, this one. Okay, let's see, I hit enter. Now we can see the data font is changed. That's it for today. We learned 10 useful shortcut keys. If you like this video, if you think this is informative video for you, please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel, like this video, and please don't forget to share these videos with your friends to let them know these useful shortcut keys to use in their daily life. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.